Welcome to day 3 of my Short Stories of India series, where I highlight my efforts made during the Gaj Mahotsav Festival. Quick recap what that's all about. The International Fund for Animal Welfare asked me to be their videographer just to showcase the event they had going on in New Delhi, India, where they were celebrating the conservation efforts of the Asian elephants through various ways, by getting the community involved, as well as having speeches, as well as workshops to address how they can ensure that the elephant shares its habitat with the human being in sustainable ways going forward. So this is a very serious matter, so no more shenanigans where I keep changing the attire the whole time. This is all about continuity, and let's keep this focus on the videos. So on that note, let me talk to you guys about the 3 videos I had to make during that day. And the first one was actually focusing on the monsoon season. So during our time in India in the middle of August, it was monsoon season. That means it's overcast every day and it can rain extremely heavily. So I thought I'd capture the scene in the moment, and just the change of season, and just to do a bit of a different feel, and just to showcase India and what that's all about, and what Delhi is like during this time. So I just focused 15 seconds of just heavy rains during the festival. Here it is. So the feedback I actually got on that video from IFAW was that it made them a little bit sad and depressed. So looking back at it, I can kind of see where they're coming from, but I'd like to hear your opinion. How did it make you feel? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, let's make this a little bit more upbeat and lighthearted, and that's exactly what video number 2 focused on. So for this one, I had to make a video about a panel discussion where people were presenting ways in which they could incorporate technology into the conservation efforts, specifically how they could ensure that trains don't collide with elephants on the tracks. So it's obviously a very important cause in India, and obviously something where accidents have happened in the past and where accidents can be avoided going forward. So very important subject matter, and instead of trying to just film the speech and make it a very dry video, I tried to get very dynamic and use some of the camera techniques I've picked up throughout my journey here on YouTube, and just to create a little dynamic video of everything going on during this speech. So without talking about it much further, here it is.
Looking at the 20 big ideas to save elephants in India. And so I don't know how many of you have been attending the previous sessions. We're going to be hearing 5 of these ideas in this session. And really this is about using innovative approaches and creativity to deal with the complex challenges that we've been hearing so much about.
So every evening during the Gaj Mahotsav Festival, they had a lot of celebrations going on. So when the speeches and the serious matter concluded, they tried to get the community involved by providing evening entertainment, which I thought was really beautiful. So there was a lot of dancing going on, but on the last 2 nights they had like a concert hall where they had some really amazing live bands performing. So my 3rd video of the day focused just on that, these live bands performing. So this gives you a bit of a feeling for Indian music, and I hope you enjoy it. Here it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you Sonam Bhadra on stage.
Thank you.
And that concludes the 3 videos I made during day 3 of the Gaj Mahotsav Festival. So, if you're interested in finding out a little bit more about what the International Fund for Animal Welfare does, away from the conference centres and out there in the field, making a difference for the lives of animals, I do encourage you to go find out how you can get involved by heading over to their website and seeing what they're all about. But they also have a YouTube channel, so if you want to see what they do more hands-on in the field, I'll link their YouTube channel below, as well as put a card at the end of the video where you can see their logo, click on it and go check out their channel. So yeah, do let me know what you thought of those 3 short clips I made about my time in India in the comments below, and drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed them and give me a thumbs down if you hated those videos. So if you're keen to see more about this, do stay tuned for day 4 of the festival, because I've got one more video coming and I hope to share that with you then. So if you don't want to miss out, I'd encourage you to hit that subscribe button below and you won't be missing that video for sure. So until then, I leave you and I'll see you in video number 4. Bye for now.